Most people nowadays want not only to be financially independent and stable, but also become that rich that they can buy whatever they want and live a premium life. Becoming rich is a dream that everyone wants in their life. Though everyone is not able to do it because they do not have what it takes to be rich. Let us know some qualities that can help a person to become rich. Keep on adding value. It is often seen that rich people keep on adding value to themselves by acquiring knowledge. A knowledgeable person is often paid for sharing his knowledge and experience. You must have seen guest speakers who have specialized in one field who are paid to share knowledge. Saving. A huge empire is not built in a day. Similarly, a person cannot be rich without a habit of saving money. One should always save small amounts so that one day it can become a huge amount. Though, one should also not become a miser and stop enjoying his present for a good future. There must be a balance between spending and saving money. Investing. Saving money is not enough. The best way to get rich is to make money from money. One should have a good investing knowledge in order to get rich. The money one saves should be invested in such a way that it adds on value to the money invested after a certain amount of time. Patience. Patience is a characteristic without which no one can get financially strong. A person has to be patient and constantly keep on saving and investing money. An impatient person may disinvest money just before it starts giving profits, and regret it afterwards. Risk bearing. There is a saying that there is no profits without risks. That's true. A person can only get rich if he is a risk bearer. The higher the risk, the higher the profits. A person who wants to be rich must keep on taking calculated risks, so that he can maximize his profits. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more.